for burning. Now I'll show you with a small experiment. Now this see the candle is burning nicely, and I'm going to cut off the oxygen for the candle. How I'm cutting it off? I'm just closing it up because there is air inside. Already I showed you with another small spoon. Here this tumbler also contains little air. Just see what's going on. Just burning, put it off. Because there was no oxygen inside the tumbler, it is off. First use is for breathing, main use. Second, it's helpful for burning. Third, force wind or anything makes the wheel to rotate. Or rotate anything. The fourth main work is windmill. That works with the wind and gives us wind currents. Nowadays we are taking current from the windmills only. These are all the usefulness of our atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. This atmosphere air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, neon, helium. This is 20% and this is 78%. Now other gases, it's all a meager amount. What is meager amount? Very little amount, points. It's in points. Now suppose if I give a cotton, 2 pieces of cotton I am giving you. One piece, same weight. Okay, I am giving right hand 1 piece and left hand 1 piece. I am asking the right hand piece to dip it in water, and the left hand piece just keep it as it is. What happens when you dip it in water? The cotton will changes its shape and it absorbs lot of water and it will become smaller in size. Why it has become like that? This left hand cotton contains more air inside. That's why it's light in weight and fluffy. This water sends all the air inside and the water takes up the place. That is why it's become smaller and become heavy. This is the way, because that is why we do lot of, see when they are making cake, you know that they all ask you to go on beat it. Why? We are sending air bubbles inside the cake batter. That will make the batter to rise and make the cake soft. You must have seen the same thing happen in idli. See, they make the batter overnight and leave it for some time, then it will rise. It's how it make rise? It's because the air bubbles goes inside and makes the flour to rise. This is what the use is, and this is the way we use the air. Next thing, there are 2 things I want to ask you. What happens in the water? Do you have oxygen in water? How many of you say yes? Everybody? Then I have to clap for my last year students. Yes. Because if there is no oxygen in the water, no water animal at all. That itself shows air contain oxygen. Now I showed the experiment. Air bubble comes out. The air bubble contains oxygen also. This experiment shows air contains water. Oxygen is in the water. Children, that air is present. Can you see the fish? It's living in the water. But see, this is a tank. For some time only it can use the oxygen. Very little time. That is why we have connected an aerator here. That gives the air from outside and brings inside. See, can you see the air comes in and the bubbles go. See here, the air comes in. See, the air comes in. The fish is safe. That is why the fish is safe. Otherwise it will die. Because very little oxygen will be mixed with water. That will be used. And apart from that, we are giving air inside. That air is showed here. Children, just air around us. What is air around us? Air is nothing but mixture of gases that is around us. It's a blanket. Blanket means it is covering us. Okay, from there only we breathe. Their basic qualities are they are colorless, odorless, they light can pass through, all that. The mixture contain oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, all the gases. The maximum gas is nitrogen and oxygen. The other gases are in meager amount. Now the uses of oxygen is it helps in breathing, and it helps in makes the windmill to rotate, and it helps any roller things. A strong wind can rotate, and it helpful for burning, and it helpful for filling balloons, anything air filled things, air mattress, air filled things. Then the next I showed you air is needed for burning. I showed you with an example. The candle is lighted and then I covered it. There was no oxygen, it was put it off. Next I showed you air is present in the even an empty glass. I showed you an empty small tumbler and how the air bubble I showed you. The next is air is present in the water also, because it's all the water animals need oxygen, so air is present, that's why they are living there. Then all other things I told you about smoky air, they are color, little color will be there, actually colorless. Smoky air will have a little blackish color, and water vapor it will be little whitish in color. This is what about air, and we use air cock to measure the wind movement and give caution to the agriculturists and the fishermen. This is what all about air. The more explanation if you need it, or more explanation if you want, please call me in the other number. Till then, stay safe. Bye.